Something I really want to do is go to Australia this year. You guys, look it. There it is. I want to meet Kim this year in a business setting.
I am filming a video for Kim Kardashian's app.
I really want to do is adopt a puppy. Hi, George. Hi. I put this car on my mood board literally 2 years in a row, so I know it's coming soon. My God, can you guys believe this?
Okay, so at this point, you gotta be wondering what the secret to all this is.
Okay, me too. And that's me in all the footage.
Amber, hi. And I think the secret to everything is this: a dream board.
I have been making dream boards, vision boards, mood boards, whatever you want to call them, for as long as I can remember. And honestly, I credit them with basically everything, including me talking to you right now. Pretty crazy. So for my last video of 2019, can you believe it? The Roaring 20s, they're coming back. I'm so excited. I'm gonna dress like Great Gatsby every single day, but that's another video. So for today, I'm gonna show you guys how to make your very own dream boards and make mine with you guys, so we can all be inspired and fabulous to accomplish everything we ever dreamed of in 2020. So without further ado, here we go. My 2020 dream board. Whew, I'm so excited. It's gonna be a good year, I can feel it. Ooh, we are looking so cozy today. Outfit of the day is a bathrobe because I didn't feel like getting dressed. But anyways, mood board. Alrighty, so here you can see some of my mood boards from years past, so you kind of have context of what a vision board even is. Basically, it's just a board that has all of your goals on it for the year. This was my most famous one. This one was from 2016. Look at that. I wanted to start my YouTube channel. How crazy is that? But yeah, so this was my first one. Then we have my 2017 one. So you can see that one right here, which is where most of that montage was from. And then of course we have my 2019 one. Yes, Carrie Bradshaw is on every single mood board. She's my queen. Vision boards are basically just a piece of paper that you make very important and special by putting a bunch of things that you want to accomplish for the year on the board. And it's all based on a little something called the law of attraction. Get my teacher voice on here, but the law of attraction is basically all based around the idea that if you believe in something enough, the universe will deliver it to you. Sounds kind of weird, but honestly, it's real. If you want to read more about it, check out The Secret. It will explain everything a little bit more clearly than I can, but that is the basic idea. So what do you need to make a mood board? 3 very simple ingredients. You need a paste-up poster because, duh, a board. You can't make a mood board without a board. Haha. You need some tape. I usually get smaller tape, but I forgot to get some scissors, and everything you want on the board. Woo! I don't have a printer, so shout out to CVS for printing my photos for me. I don't have a printer, I don't know, but I don't have one. So, anyways, what are these things pictures of? These are all specific things that I want to accomplish this year. Like, see that? That's Greece. I'm going there. The things you put on here can be kind of specific, like Greece, or kind of more of just a generic idea. Like this. It's my girl Marie Kondo, and I just want to do things this year that spark joy and spark joy only. If it doesn't spark joy, I don't want to do it. In fact, when I did this silly Twitter thing, yeah, look at that. So, I thought this was appropriate. So I'll explain all of these in a minute, but the thing you really want to start with is a central quote for the year. In the past I had that one, then I had Live the Life You Imagined. And last year's was interesting because I actually wrote Become the You of Your Dreams. But that actually wasn't the quote that I used for my central quote of the year. I switched it like a day later to Stop and Smell the Roses. I don't know why I didn't put that on there originally, but that was really the main thing that I wanted to do last year, was to stop and enjoy life more and like invest in people and relationships. So pick something that you want to kind of override the entirety of the year. And this year, for the first time, it's actually one that I made up. To the fullest. This just means I want to live every single thing to the max this year. I want to travel, I want to see the world, I want to try new foods, I want to meet new people, I want to experience new things, and just get the absolute most possible out of life this year. So, in everything we do this year, we're doing it to the fullest. I'll just put a little bit of tape on the back of that sucker, and boom. The mood board has begun. All right, so I guess I'll stick on the things that I already showed you guys. Yes, I also want to go see the pyramids, so that's going on there. Oh yes, looking good. So one of the biggest things that I want to do this year is travel. So I want to travel and take you guys along with me. So we're going to put this right in the center. I also really want to hit 100K on Twitter, so if you want to follow me, that's something I want to do, so I photoshopped that. That's another good tip, is to Photoshop exactly what you want. If you really see it look real right in front of you, it's easier for your brain to feel like it's true. Therefore, the belief in it attracts it, you know, you get the point. I also still want to hit 1 million on Instagram, so we're going to put both of those things on there. For Halloween, I want to become a French maid. I'm totally kidding, but I actually put this on my mood board last year. I am like kind of a slob, so I really want to be cleaner. I didn't really do it last year, so I'm putting it on here again, I thought maybe the idea of a cute outfit will inspire me more. I don't know, we're putting that on here too. By the way, while I'm on the topic of things that I put on the mood board and then didn't do, here's the real secret behind the secret. The mood board does not work unless you do. Great to look at all these fun things, but if you don't actually do anything to accomplish them, it's not gonna work. You can't just put all these things on a mood board and then literally do nothing about it. It's not gonna happen. You are in charge of the destiny. So the mood boards are really meant to inspire you to work hard for your dreams. And I do believe there's a little magic in there too, but you are really the one in charge of everything. So, for example, I put voiceover on my board 2 years in a row, and then when I say I have done absolutely nothing to accomplish that, I mean like, I've done nothing. I didn't email my manager like I said I was gonna do. I didn't go to any auditions. I didn't contact anyone. I did literally nothing. So did I voice over anything? No. So we're gonna put that on the mood board again, but I am actually going to actively take steps to accomplish that this year. I actually am. So stay tuned at the end of this year to see if I do it. And I'm sure I will, because I'm gonna actually try. This is a cartoon princess of me that I photoshopped. How cute is she? I love it. So we are going to put her on there to remind me to actually try to become a cartoon princess. So this is my queen Rihanna in the greatest outfit of all time. Her being the boss and having this man like holding her hand in the background, this is the aesthetic I want my whole life to be. So putting her front and center. I started writing my book last year, but I want to keep writing it. It takes a long time to write a book, so we're going to remind myself to keep doing that. I've always said I want to be on this list, so stay tuned. I'm going to start a company. One that I am the official CEO of, so stay tuned. That being said, you might understand this later, so for now, stay tuned. I love this. Okay, so this one is really abstract. I saw this on Tumblr, but this is a police officer issuing a woman a ticket for wearing a bikini on a beach in 1957. So this is kind of one of those abstract thoughts that I'm putting on here, but it just means to, you know, kind of stir up the world, shake up history in your own way. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Woo! Not only do I want the year to be extraordinarily good and wonderful, oh, so fun, but this means I just want to shake up my vocabulary. I'm such a hoe for documentaries anyway, but I want to learn more about the world, go to lots of museums, and also I want to download a Word of the Day app because I'm tired of calling everything cute. I need some new lingo. I've got to see the Northern Lights, so that's going on there. And we're gonna serve some hella looks this year. The girl I got this image from is actually so cute on Instagram. That's her name right there. So she has a lot of great ideas. Also kind of abstract, but I want to enjoy fully the beauty of being a woman. Beautiful, magical creatures we are. So this is again an abstract thing for confidence, self-love, and remembering you hold the world at your fingertips. You really do. We're gonna play Deal or No Deal. What's on the back of this card? Money. Write down an exact dollar amount of something you want to see in your savings account. You would be surprised at how much this inspires you to not only save, but work extra hard when you need to.
Ah, yes, my queen.
Literally all I ever wanted to do with my channel was to share my life, and in doing that, help girls. And boys, of course, if you're watching. But yeah. I honestly think that's like my biggest purpose in life, is to be like a through the screen fairy godmother teacher. So I just want to remember that. And with every video I make, remember that is the goal. You stick them all down, and voila, it's done. So we trimmed it down to size a little bit. I leave a little bit open too, so you can add some more things just in case you think of them later. And then you're gonna hang it somewhere you see it every day. Boom. Hell yeah. That looks like a good 2020 to me. Now look at it every day and remind yourself to work towards the things that you want. And work towards them. The magic of this baby never let me down. Now, of course, I'm not saying I found the secret to life or anything, but I am saying if you work hard and truly believe in it enough. This is my name. This is the subscribe button. We're hitting 3 million. It's happening. Woohoo! Hell yeah, 3 milli, baby. We did it. We just bought it for the aesthetic, but I want to learn how to actually play something. So there we go. Stay tuned. Welcome to the Grand Concierto de Mi. I mean, you know, not perfect, but I want to go on one of those influencer travel trips.
You guys, I'm screaming. Revolve is taking me on one of the Revolve around the world trips. Look at this. I'm in Canada.
We love nature.
And you know, since it was on the mood board, I thought I would take myself on a few other trips too.
Bonjour. Greetings from Paris.
The shopping world tour is hands down my best idea ever. Welcome to Dubai. God, I feel like I'm in Aladdin. I experienced things in 2019 I never ever would have dreamed of. Like, look at the camels, they're so cute. And I saw places I only thought I'd ever hear about in storybooks. spent money on the world's weirdest things. But meeting you guys all around the world, that was priceless.
And for everything else, there's MasterCard.
Hashtag not sponsored, but hashtag please sponsor me.
I really should have put a credit card sponsorship on my mood board, but meh. I really want to make videos this year that matter. You are fabulous and beautiful in any shape, any size, no matter what, and don't ever let anyone tell you otherwise. We all got a little stomach fat. It's not the end of the world. Taking care of your mental health is so important. I cannot stress that enough. Wow, I really said I wasn't gonna cry. Now I'm sobbing. Oh, this mascara is really good though.
2019 was wild, from traveling all around the world to just, being really weird in my apartment.
Thank God I have a hot day tonight. This is a perfect look. I'm like E.T. if he was a prostitute. My loneliness ain't killing me. No, it's not. 'Cause I've got 10 million shoes.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Thank you guys for one of the most magical years of my life.
Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Wow, like, oh my God, are you kidding me? The aesthetic of this. Unbelievable.
I cannot believe anyone thinks I'm interesting enough to watch, but thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching and sharing life with me.
She was on my mood board. I'm gonna cry. The reason I do mood boards. Oh my gosh.
Like I said, priceless.
And I include this clip every year because with each passing year, it gets more and more true. Never give up on your dreams because it's never too late, and anything you want in life can and will come true if you truly believe in it. So don't ever let life be anything less than everything you imagined it to be. And for the last time in 2019, love you, kisses, till next time, to the fullest, XO. Amber, why didn't you put getting a boyfriend on the mood board? Because I'd rather have new shoes. Duh.